If you want to find out the secret of having that yummy, crunchy chinchin, then I want you to watch this video to the end. Welcome back to my channel. You can see the ingredients on the screen. You need 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. In this recipe, we are not using egg white, only our egg yolk. Now I'm going to add in my milk flavor, 40 grams of butter, and I'm going to add in my egg yolk. I'm just using 1 egg yolk. You can decide to use 2 for 2.5 cup of flour if you want your chinchin to be extra special. You understand? This is the kind of chinchin recipe you make for special occasion. I just added a dash of butterscotch flavor or vanilla flavor, any flavor of your choice. Then I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Don't worry, the list of the ingredients will be in the description box. They add in 150 mils of milk. As in this chinchin, you are not going to use water, so it is extra rich. If you can even see it, extra crunchy and extra yummy. If it is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. Those of you that have watched my previous chinchin recipes, you know there are lots of yummy chinchin recipes on this channel, and you must attest to the fact that they are special. This is yet another special chinchin recipe where you do not need condensed milk. The last chinchin recipe I did that you have watched my milk chinchin, you said I use condensed milk. You're asking me why is there no sugar, so I decided to make another yummy crunchy chinchin recipe whereby I used no condensed milk. I just use normal milk and sugar. So you can either make this one or the other one and it will come out fine. I divided my dough into 4 portions and I'm going to roll them in bits. This is because I really want them to have a particular kind of size and I want to really take my time to chop them to that size so that it will come out looking professional. If you're into business, you can make this chinchin for your clients and you are really going to do it well and your clients will love it and you make profit from it. So it's for special occasions. You can see the ingredients, they are detailed and no water, so it is a special chinchin. I'm going to cut them into my dough into strip, then I'm going to cut them into little bits like this. I really want them to be small. The former chinchin recipe, milk chinchin recipe I did on my channel, it was a bit chunky, but I want this one to look small and special. So now my chinchin is ready on my tray. I'm going to get ready to fry. One thing I love about milk chinchin recipes is that they do not stick together. You do not need to dust with much flour. As you can see the way they're looking on my tray, I do not need to sprinkle much flour on my tray, as in they won't stick together. You will see how it will look like after frying. It will be separated and it's just so easy. So I really love milk chinchin. There are other recipes of chinchin on my channel. Check them out. You see oatmeal chinchin, malt and milk chinchin. Please do check them out. Yogurt chinchin. You will love all those chinchin recipes and do try them out and tell me what you think. So I'm going to fry, stirring continuously until I have this golden brown look. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, do like and share for more yummy recipes coming your way. Once I fry until I have the golden brown look, I'm going to take it out of my oil and set in a sieve or salvet to strain excess oil. As in, very easy. Your chinchin recipe is ready. Now let's take a look at this chinchin. My god, this is so beautiful and professional. I told you they will not stick together. This one that you buy chinchin that they will gum together, they'll gum it together. This one, they hardly do gum together, and even the ones that do gum together, once you just touch it, they just break easily. They're not as if they are strong, as if you are cutting stick. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.